Sige. So ite-testing din ni Paulo yung anak ko na bunso, yung excellence na gawa ni Reagan 77. Focus doon sa hintayin mong bumalik yung front sight pagka nag shot ka. Okay? Wag lang yung basta kalabit lang ng dalawa, hindi ganoon. Hintayin, tignan mo rin yung sight mo kung clear bago mo kalabitin yung pangalawang putok. Okay? Sige, load and make ready. Safety up, safe. Okay? Okay. Shooter, are you ready? Stand by.